Today I'm making another football game day favorite. Potato skins, done my way, of course. After washing and piercing the potatoes with a fork, I'm going to put these in the microwave. And the reason being is just I want them soft enough to hollow out because I'm going to deep fry these. But you can do the full oven bake if you prefer. It's completely up to you. This is just the easy way. I've fried up some bacon, and while the potatoes are in the microwave, I'm going to go ahead and chop that up and the green onions. And also I have some sour cream and cheese. And I normally would prefer cheddar cheese, but all I have is mozzarella, and that's fine. Whatever cheese you prefer will work. So I'm carefully scooping out the potato, leaving about a quarter of an inch on the sides and bottom. And nothing's going to waste. The extra potato I scooped out will make a nice couple of servings of mashed potatoes. I'll fry these skin side down, and then when I take them out of the oil, I'll turn them onto a paper towel, skin side up, so they can drain. After these cool for just a minute, I'll turn those over and start layering them with the ingredients that I have. And I'll start with the cheese, and I'll put that in, and then I'm going to add in the bacon. I've crumbled the bacon up, or actually I chopped it up. After the bacon, I will add in as much sour cream as I like and top that with the diced up green onion. And there you have it, all done. I hope you enjoyed these. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.